Unlimited fam? So this morning I'm scrolling through Facebook and I see a question on one of the motivational sites that I'm a member of, and it says, how do I forget? I'm assuming this person's talking about, how do I forget about the person I was in a relationship with? You don't. You shouldn't want to. I don't want to forget about the good times that I had with someone, the moments that I shared with someone. If you tell someone, I care about you, I love you, you should mean that. And that's forever. There's nothing wrong with moving on. There's nothing wrong with breaking up. You could put that into a category of, I did this, I experienced this, and I'm gonna move on with something else, with something different. I don't want to say better, but perhaps something better in life. But you don't want to forget about your past, right? It makes no sense, especially if there were good moments, if there were opportunities to learn and to grow from your past. Don't forget about your past. Embrace your past. That's how you move on and have a better future. All right, Unlimited fam. You guys have a great morning. Peace.